Welcome. Although we all know about reduce, reuse, and recycle, there is much more that we can do to reduce our footprint on the environment and live a more eco-friendly lifestyle. There are many benefits beyond slogans of saving the planet. Sustainable living can save you a lot of money, and changes in certain habits can even be healthier for you. Here are 5 simple and highly beneficial ways that you can move towards a sustainable lifestyle. So, let's start. 1. Stop eating out. Everyday people are spending more money dining out than buying groceries. While eating out may be easier than cooking by yourself, it is a terrible habit. From an environmental perspective, takeout creates wasteful plastic containers. And, of course, there's also the gas wasted driving to eat out when you could stay home and cook. Another thing you may not think about is dropping $7 to $12 for a meal over the short run, but it adds up over time. Furthermore, a home-cooked meal will almost always be healthier than what you will buy from a restaurant. You don't know how to cook? Don't worry, there are plenty of websites online which can teach you easy recipes that can help you get started. 2. Dry your clothes outside. No household appliance uses more energy than a clothes dryer, and it is particularly annoying when nature can dry your clothes for free. If you have the space, try to test it out. You will be surprised at how quickly clothes can dry as well as how good it can smell. We are so lucky to live in this beautiful world with free sunlight. Let's take the most out of it instead of using electric equipment that have a big carbon footprint. 3. Go paperless. Humans cut down 15 billion trees each year for various reasons, and some of them are necessary for our civilization. But a big part of it is for making paper that is less and less necessary. Almost every company today let you change to electronic mail. This is simpler and is easier way to track and keep records of your documents compared to paper, which can be lost or shoved in some drawer. Another good way to save paper and money is to share books instead of buying. Not everyone needs their own book, and sharing them through the library is better for the environment and spreads knowledge throughout the community. 4. Don't buy plastic. When shopping, choose to take home products that are not wrapped in plastic. Imagine you are going to buy a banana. The banana already has a natural peel, why are we going to pack it in plastic? Keep that in mind. Unfortunately, we increasingly see products wrapped in plastic when they do not need any packaging. Avoid buying fruit already peeled. Nature has spent millions of years improving the natural protection of vegetables. It is not a good idea to replace it with plastic. 5. Use a cloth bag when shopping. Disposable plastic bags are one of the biggest environmental problems today. Every day we throw away millions of tons of plastic bags that have only been used for 1 or 2 hours. These will take up to 1,000 years to fully decompose. Using reusable cloth bags, you are contributing to reducing plastic waste. I hope you enjoyed these 5 tips for a more sustainable way of living. Thanks for watching. Visit us on social media, subscribe and activate the bell for more videos like this. Check our social network links in the description down below. Be part of the Blue Generation.